Hello traders, and my name is Paul, and today we will tell you how to set up a workplace on one monitor. Today we have the first question, how to work efficiently on one monitor. Today I will try to show you my vision of workspace for one monitor or a laptop in which you can work effectively and observe a large number of trading instruments. Let's see our monitor and let's see an example that I would recommend you. There will be two small variations. They are similar to each other except for viewing the charts. I suggest setting up Scalp trading terminal like this. Split two order books for each tab. Rename the tab by the name of the instrument and place two order books on it. On the one side, futures of the instrument. On the other side, spot of the same instrument. And in this way we create 15 tabs with different instruments. 2 order books per tab, I mean. We have a limit of 30 order books, so we can consider with you the order book of futures and spot about 15 trading instruments. In the second part of the monitor, which remains free after the placement of two order books, we place the charts of all instruments that are on the tab. And we also additionally place the Bitcoin chart as a correlation instrument. Therefore, at the moment, we observe two order books and we can switch to other tabs where the other instruments are located. Be sure to mark the levels on all charts, set signal levels on it, and first of all watch the charts for the instruments that approach to the level. If there is an interesting situation, then switch directly to the tab with this instrument. And we have about 6-10 instruments that we can currently see. That's not bad, right? And the rest of the instruments can be observed in a team with your colleagues. Or you also can set alerts in a third-party applications or services. I use the Scalp Telegram bot for tracking it. The second variation of the location of the workspace is the usage of TradingView. In order to place more than one chart on one tab, you must use the paid version of TradingView or use the third-party service. CryptoWatch, for example, or something else. There are a lot of them in the internet. You can find them and there are quite good ones. Or use the paid version of TradingView, so you can place 8 instruments on small charts and watch them. Observe which instruments are approaching the levels and switch on the tab by them. And I like in TradingView that you can add a tab with a large chart of the instrument and a list of quotes, I mean tickers, between which you can switch. 2 recommendations from me. 2 order books on one tab, 15 tabs, 15 instruments, and also have Scalp charts for coins which you selected in the morning before your working day. And we place them in the order we need and observe them throughout the day. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for attention. Happy trades, everyone, and goodbye.